You're at work. You have an assessment on your schedule. You're excited. You're scared. How do we even start this process? Let's look at the roadmap.
So let's start with case history. There's a short video that describes the process to you. Underneath, we always have PDFs for you. Okay, cool. First thing I want to do is case history. How do I even take a case history in a way that's not overwhelming? Boom, we organize it for you. Please use this PDF. How do I know which assessment to actually do? Boom, we put a flow chart. Start here. Are there any swallowing red flags? Here are the swallowing red flags. If no, continue the next step. If yes, print out this form. And we give you the next step. If you need to continue, we tell you why you would need to continue. You could choose another evaluation if they have difficulty with any of those things. We also give you a PDF that goes over all the information in this assessment module, the flow of exactly what to do once you get an assessment.
I'm all about getting information that's actionable, easy to read, easy to digest. Just get up and go and do it. That's what this assessment roadmap's about. For more information, check out adultspeechtherapy.co.